Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of personal mobility with a head-to-head comparison between two of WHILL's most popular power chairs, the incredibly versatile WHILL C2 and the ultra-portable Model F. If you're trying to decide which one is right for you, stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Both the C2 and the F are designed with style, comfort, and independence in mind, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's start our comparison with the WHILL C2. This chair is built for everyday use, both indoors and out. Its standout feature has to be its patented Omni wheel system. And what does that mean for you? Incredible maneuverability. You can turn on a dime, which is fantastic for tight indoor spaces like your home or crowded shops. It handles varied terrain with ease thanks to its larger wheels and robust suspension. The C2 boasts a comfortable seating experience, intuitive controls, and an impressive travel range, making it ideal for those who need reliable mobility for daily activities, errands, and even light outdoor adventures. Its design is sleek and modern, and it feels incredibly stable. Now, let's shift gears to the WHILL F. The F here really stands for foldable and flexible. This chair is designed from the ground up for portability. It folds up quickly and easily into a compact size, making it perfect for transport in car trunks, taxis, and even airplanes. So, what are the key differences? Let's break it down into a few categories. Number 1, portability and transport. This is where the WHILL F shines. Its ability to fold in seconds is a game changer for travelers or anyone who needs to transport their chair. The C2, while compact for a power chair, is a solid unit but not designed to fold for transport in the same way. Maneuverability and terrain. While both are excellent indoors, the C2 Omni wheels give it an edge in super tight spaces and zero radius turns. For outdoor terrain, the C2 generally offers a smoother ride over more varied surfaces due to its larger wheels and suspension. The F is great for smooth indoor floors and paved paths, but less suited for rougher outdoor terrain. Comfort and customization. Both offer comfort, but the C2 typically allows for more adjustments in terms of seat depth and backrest angle, providing a more tailored fit for extended use. The F is designed for simplicity and quick setup, so its adjustability is more limited. Design and aesthetics. Both chairs share WHILL's signature modern and minimalistic aesthetic. The C2 looks robust and capable, while the F has a sleek, lightweight appearance that emphasizes its portability. Price. Generally speaking, the WHILL F tends to be positioned at a more accessible price point, reflecting its focus on portability and simplicity, while the C2's advanced features and robust design come with a higher investment. So, which one is right for you? Choose the C2 if you need a reliable, everyday power chair that can handle a variety of indoor and outdoor environments, offers excellent maneuverability, and you prioritize a comfortable, adjustable seating experience for longer periods. Choose the WHILL F if portability is your absolute top priority. You travel frequently, need to transport your chair in a small car, or just want the convenience of a power chair that folds up quickly and easily for an on-the-go lifestyle. Ultimately, both the C2 and the F are fantastic pieces of engineering designed to enhance your independence. Your choice will come down to your specific lifestyle, daily needs, and how you plan to use your power chair. We highly recommend trying both if possible, or at least discussing your needs thoroughly with a mobility specialist. What are your thoughts on these two chairs? Do you own the Model C2 or the F? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more mobility reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.